Hello everyone! Hello mga aunties! So right now we're on the taxi because we're going to Grand Palace. So time check around, I go out around 11 something na dito sa Thailand mga aunties. So we're here finally in outside of the Grand Palace. As you can see, very crowded siya and very nice din siya mga auntie, but super duper init. So guys, there's an information there. Oh, grabe ang daming tao, oh my god. So hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. So we have to go to information. So we're already here and we're going to inside because there was a ticking boat or ticket offices right here and we have to pay for our ticket to go inside the Grand Palace. So yeah, as you can see, that's a ticket office there. By the way, so dito tayo bibili ng ticket guys. Ayan, dyan. Grabe ang init. So may golden coffee din siya dyan. Ayan. Tapos ito yung ticketing area. So yung entrance fee niya to Grand Palace is 500 baht. Ayan. May ticket na tayo. So everyone's super hot, so you have to use your umbrella talaga. So ito yung entrance niya. Papasok mga auntie. Ayan doon. Grabe. Ang daming tao. Oh my god. Sobrang init. So grabe mga auntie, grabe ang init. Oh my god. Super ganda niya. Kaka-amaze. So ayan, nakapa. Kailangan i-remove yung shoes mga auntie. Oh my god, sobrang ganda. Tignan yung mga auntie, oh. Grabe. Nakaka-amaze. So ayan mga auntie, if pagod ka na kasi sobrang init, so pwede ka namang umupo dyan, mag-relax. At ang dami talagang tao mga auntie. Ang hirap mag-picture mga auntie, wala tayong taga-picture. So ayan, grabe. Ang ganda. So pupunta tayo doon next. Yan. Diyan, grabe sobrang init mga auntie. Ayan. At wala tayong sunblock. So ayan. So guys, sobrang init talaga. So nakapayong na ako, nakasombrero, naka-glasses. Sobrang init. Oh my god. Dami pang tao. Grabe.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, beautiful. Look at that. I do love them doors.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Come up.
So guys, tignan nyo siya. Super ganda. Diba? So we're done here in Grand Palace. And I'm planning to go to Wat Phu, guys. So yeah, let's go to Wat Phu.
Oh yeah, 100%.
So guys, nagsakay ko kuan saan ni siya kanang what do you call it? Never mind, kanang ilahang kuan ba mo sa doa Parila, nakalimot ko sa pangalan ani oy. What to the sa